Hello everyone, welcome to another video of our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So all of you guys knows that we used to upload data engineering related stuffs. Okay, so but in this video today we'll see little bit different thing. Okay, so we'll see in this video how to install SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server in local. Okay, so before going ahead, I will request you guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting daily notification. Okay, we used to upload videos daily basis. Okay, so for installing in your machine for installing SQL Server in your machine, what we need to do first, we need to download the Microsoft SQL Server. SQL, you need to just select SQL Server SQL's download. So this is the official website. Okay, so go to there and download the express version. I will recommend you, there are two version, developer and express version. I will recommend you to download the express version. Okay, so if you click here download, then it will start downloading. Okay, so as you can see, it has started the download, you can see, but I have already downloaded the SQL Server. Okay, I will not download once again. Okay, so you guys download, and once you download, you just double click on this. You will get this kind of notification, and click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will give you some options of installations, the basic options. You just need to select all the things, next, and you need to select the basic installation. Okay, so after that, once you install, you will get to see this kind of installation has completed. Okay, successfully completed. So this kind of window. Okay, so here instance name will be there, SQL administrator's name will be there, feature installed, versions, all the things will be there. Okay, so if after that, if you have not installed this the SSMS, okay, SQL Server Management Studio, you just need to uh, click on the SSMS. It will directly take you to the official page of Microsoft, from where you can download the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, from here only you can download SQL Server Management Studio. It will start downloading. Okay, but I have already downloaded and installed. Okay, in my system, I will not do that. Okay, so now what I will do, I will open my SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so let's go. So SQL Server, so this is my SQL Server Management Studio. I have clicked on it. Okay, so it is simple to install. You just need to double click on the exe file, and after that just go next, as usual you used to do for the installation purpose. Okay, you don't need to change any kind of configuration. All will be in default configuration. Okay, once you install, you just open the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so SSMS installation, it will take few minutes, you don't need to worry. Okay, and after that just open it. So now it is opening, so let it open. Once it is open, I'm opening for the first time. Okay, so after installation, so once it is open, it will take some time. Once it is open, I will come back. Okay, so now it has opened. Once it is open, it will come like this. Okay, the SQL Server, the login page. Okay, so you need to give your server name, and authentication, it is okay, Windows authentication, as you are using this in locally. Okay, so if you want to know the other authentication, you can comment on the video comment section if you want to know this authentication, how it is working and all. So I'll try, if you want, you just comment on the video comment section. I'll try to make the video on this. Okay, each and every authentication. Okay, so for now we will select the Windows authentication. Okay, so you need to give the server name. The server name is localhost SQL Express. Okay, so I will give it from here directly. Okay, so browse and SQL Server directly. Okay, so it is taken. Okay, so authentication, Windows authentication, as I told you. Okay, so if it is optional, then don't need to select anything. If it is mandatory, then trust server certificate. Okay, now click on connect. Let it connect. The first time connection, it will take some time. Once it is connected, I will come back. So once it is connected, it will show you like this. Okay, the default directories will come, and your SQL Server is connected with SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is basically nothing but to it's a visual tool. Okay, to work on the SQL Server. Okay, so now if you want to write any query, so click on the new query. So first time it will take some time. So they have given us uh, one page for writing the query. First I'll increase the size of the text. Okay, so now first what I'll do, I'll create one database. Okay, create database. So what database we can, so create database demo. Okay, so if I will execute this, so I'm executing. So let's see the message. It is executing. Okay, commands completion successful. Okay, message given. So let's refresh it. Let's see under database, it is, yeah, you can see there is a demo database. So under this demo database, is there any table? Okay, let it load. System table, graph table, external table and all, but there is no table. Okay, as we have not created any table. Okay, this is all. If you want to learn, you can follow me on my page, on my YouTube channel. I will gradually upload this video on this, what is external table, what is file table, graph tables and all. Okay, but for now I will create one table to show you. Okay, so create table. Okay, create table student. Okay, so now what would be my table element? It will be id. Okay, id would be in int, and then it will be name. Okay, uh, I can give as barchar. Okay, so 50 I'm giving the range. Okay, so let's run it. So for running only this command, I can select this and I can execute it. So it is showing me incorrect message. So where is the error? Let's see. Okay, I forgot to give the comma, as the I'm giving multiple creating multiple column. Okay, multiple table element. So now once again I'm doing. So it is completed successfully. So let's see if there is any table. So first refresh it. Okay, then see under the demo database, under the table, system table, there is nothing, file table, nothing, external table, nothing. uh, okay, where it is storing, let me check. Database diagram should come under this, let me check. So okay, one thing I have done the mistake. Okay, so I have not select the database demo for creating the table. So that's why by default it has it has the table has gone to the master database. Okay, so master system database, under this the table has created. Okay, so if you want to if you want to create a table under the demo database, then you need to write the command that demo, like this, demo dot student, or first you need to select use demo, then you can create the table. Okay, like this. Okay, so that is separate thing. Okay, I have created the thing. So after that, if you want to insert any value, inscrt in, okay, insert into student table, insert into student table, mm, id and name. Okay, then values. Okay, so 1 comma, it is varchar. Okay, I'm giving Rahul. Okay, executing. So one row affected. If you now select star from student, like this, it will give you the table. No, whatever data it is in table, it will give you. Okay, like this. Okay, you can install the SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio, and you can operate your data. Okay, using the SQL Server Management Studio. So I think you can install now in your system also. Okay, if you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. Okay, and thank you for watching our video. And if you are learning PySpark, you can also go through our playlist. Okay, PySpark database playlist. And if you are preparing for interviews, data engineering interviews, you can go through our interview series. There are almost 26 videos we have uploaded, different companies technical interview videos. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Bye.